Hey, it's your good buddy Indy Logan here again. A little update on our 2006 Dodge Dually 3500. Did a little bit of repair work on the interior. Wanted to have you check out if you'd like. And welcome to the channel. Please like and subscribe. All that good stuff. We're calling it Trucking with the Silver Streaks. Please, like I say, like and subscribe. We got a little interior work we've done. As I mentioned in the previous video, this interior handle that I'm holding on to right here, I broke off in my hand one day. Well, I was going to get in and just ripped the whole piece out. And come to find out that the bolts, which it wasn't these bolts, it was just short bolts on the inside here. I was only holding like an 1/8 inch thin plastic on the inside. There was no metal interior handle, no reinforcement of any kind. So I don't know what the Doc was thinking on that one particularly. I can't believe it didn't break off on anybody else from 2006 to 2023. So went ahead and pulled those out, got those short bolts out, and repaired the plastic on the inside where it tore loose, and just shoved that back up in there, and put longer bolts in with washers. And it's just kind of a temporary thing. I'd like something even longer. If I had longer bolts yet, I could have done something, I think, to cover up this whole area. Kind of a teardrop shape here. I might have to do some kind of homemade washers or something. I'm not sure yet, to make it look even better, because it don't look too good now. But something needs to happen yet. But at least got something going on it, and where it looks, or at least the functions, a little bit better. So I'm not so afraid to falling on my you know what out there, out there in the driveway or anywhere else. But do have to do the same thing over here on this side. End up doing those bolts, and like I say, I'll have to make some kind of an update just to make it look better than that. But at least now the bolts are holding from the outside, holding the whole handle instead of just some thin plastic pieces on the inside. So anyway, we're looking to make some like I say, fixing up. We just want to keep going with when we can. We're busy people, like everybody else, and we're working full time, and got a bunch of grandkids to try to keep up after, and that's a tough one. I do want to show you one other thing outside. I think I forgot to mention on my initial video, and it's a dent in the rear bumper there that I end up putting in it. Well, a tree jumped out from behind me. It jumped out behind me when I was backing up in the driveway here a while back, and I got a dent right in there in the bumper. So what I got to do is we took it to a body shop, and they said they can't get it cut off without torching it, and torching it would discolor the chrome and everything. So I'm not sure how we're going to do that yet, but we've got to get that changed out, because that looks really bad. So one of those things we want to do, but everything else is, like I say, pretty straight on it. And we did some fenders, new fenders, just did that earlier this year. They were rusting out real bad down below, right down in the corners, right down in here, both sides. So just got those done, replaced and painted not long ago. So glad to get that done, and whatever else we can get done here this year we'll do, and hopefully we'll get some trips in, do some little adventures. That's the idea, and have you folks come along for the ride. So anyway, like and subscribe to the channel if you would, and we'll see you next time here on Trucking with the Silver Streak. Catch you later.